Hi, this is Scott again, and today we're getting ready to do cold weather packing, light packing with Tamara. And I always like to see if girls can do the same thing as far as packing light, because sometimes it feels like you can't. So we're going to go over what Tamara has here in her trip, week-long trip with me to the UK to go check out some London and Winchester Christmas markets. So first of all, Tamara, you got all your stuff spread out here. Hi, Tamara.
Hello.
And you have, let's see what bag you have first that you're going to be packing with. Yeah.
Mine is a little bigger than the smallest one you can get, but it has backpack straps and it has a million pockets, and I like this center that has a flat bottom, so you're not squishing things. They can rest in there easily. And then I almost don't even have to take a purse because it's got so many little pockets.
Do you just use that as your purse?
I don't,
when you're,
because once we get there, I will the day that we are traveling. But once we get there and I can leave my bag in the hotel, then I'll take a purse.
Okay. So you will take a purse with you though?
I do, but it goes in here.
It'll go inside there. Okay.
So one bag.
Okay, cool. so kind of on the last video in cold weather, we talked about layers and kind of packing, and then of course packing cubes are a good way to do it. I think that's in one of those videos. And then so let's talk about kind of like what are the clothes that you're going to be taking with you.
Well, so I am going to wear my ski pants.
Okay.
And they are almost like slacks. They're smooth fabric, and they're not puffy or anything. But they're nice.
They're like nice slacks, but they're like active pants that you can take and you can wear. So
I'm going to wear those pretty much the entire
wear those and you don't have those here right now. Okay. Yeah. Let's show that. Okay. So there's your you got ski. Oh yeah. So those are nice.
And these are ski pants. They have the nice floppy bell pants, nice and smooth. They're not too bulky, but they're heavy. They're flannel lined, and that's nice and warm.
Okay, so that's not a nice warm layer right there.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then they have the nice bell bottom ankles that go over ski boots, but they also go over your regular boots, and they're super fashionable right now. So I'm excited about that.
So that'll be you'll have those active pants anytime you want. You can that's your standby outerwear for like running around and going and checking out things when it's cold outside.
Yep,
okay.
Yep.
So now you have some.
On the plane, I'm only going to bring these 3 tops for the trip, and so on the plane I'm going to wear this underlayer, and then this very nice sweater.
So here's your layering. So you got an underlayer and then a sweater layer.
Very lightweight, but it's the wool, so it's be nice and warm.
Okay.
So I'll wear that on the plane. Then I have this vest, quilted vest, that I'll wear on the plane, and this scarf, which also is big enough to be a wrap. So,
yeah, that's very nice.
Nice and warm.
Kind of multi-purpose, multi-use there with that one.
Mm-hmm. And then this coat I will have once we're there, but I'm thinking that there's one pocket that I won't even need that I can stuff this coat down into. So once we get packed, we'll see if I can get that in there. Otherwise, I'll just carry it along with me.
So you've got a couple extra underlayer shirts or base layer shirts here.
This is what we're traveling in. This is what I have to pack. I'm going to bring a skirt and some tights, and we'll see how that works. I have my tights here. I have one set of long underwear, so that'll be a layer. All the under things go in this packing cube. Easy. And then this one has pajamas, extra long underwear, and my socks.
So about what, 3 pair of socks or something?
I'll take 4
total. 4 pair of socks. Okay. Mm-hmm. But it all fits there nicely in the little cube.
Okay. In the little cube.
Oh, and I see this is your little travel purse you have with you. Yeah, right here. You see iPad and like your toiletries here, and even an extra pair of like a little nice.
There's a little slip-on pair of shoes just in case I get tired of wearing the boots, and I have this shoe bag I can put them in, and I think those will probably just go in the bottom of this nice flat bottom part of the bag.
Okay. Are you ready to pack it up? Should we try to pack things and see? Okay.
I think so. We'll see how it goes.
Well, let's do that. Okay, let's pack up.
In this main bin here is where the packing cubes are going to go, and I think I can get them side by side. They will squish. So that's nice. So that pretty much fills out the whole suitcase. Extra paper products, feminine products. I'll put those in a zipper here. Here are my toiletries in this TSA approved bag.
Nice.
I also have a inside mesh pocket here. This is an umbrella, which is not super necessary, but I have the room, so I'm gonna stick it in here. Okay. Now, let's see. I've got this pocket back here that maybe I can slide some of these things in. This is a fold-out travel bag that will be handy for coming.
Is that like one of the big ones that you can pull out?
It's
It
not
goes
very
in?
big, but
Okay.
you can stuff, dirty clothes in it, and it's easy to carry.
It zips out into a big
Zips
bag.
out into
Yeah.
a bigger bag.
Okay.
My jewelry, I'm probably going to slide in that same pocket as well. Let's see what else I can put in here. I think I'll put my purse in here.
But you could also alternately carry that if you wanted to,
I could,
right? Yeah.
yes. I'm trying to,
since you only have that bag. Yeah.
Right, trying to get it all in one just in case we have souvenirs and things to take home. So I might need to rearrange that. That's a little bulky. I still haven't used this pocket back here, but I'm going to try to get my coat in there.
Okay.
Um,
Again, though, your coat you could carry on the
That's right.
plane
Don't
if
have-
you
it
wanted
doesn't
to.
have
You don't
to
have
go
to
in
go in
here.
the bag, but it's nice if it does fit
It's
in
nice
the
that It
bag.
does fit in here. So I've got a little room down at the very bottom of this front one. I think I'm going to put my plugs down there so they won't get lost. Okay. Hairbrush. Let's slide that in here. Actually, let's put it down the side here. It's got a rubber handle, so it doesn't want to slide. Okay, I think I'm going to switch that out. Put my purse here. All right, so that kind of rounds out this very big center.
That's your center pocket. Okay.
Okay, now I've just got a few little miscellaneous things. This is a first aid kit with just a few things that might need, that you might not be able to get your hands on right away. These are snacks. I love my snacks. I have a pocket right here. I'm going to slide all this in. Okay, that's in. My iPad can go, oops, easily accessible right here. Oh, I have to put my clothes in yet. Those go back here. I have there's a laptop pocket, but it's got this nifty catch on it, and I think my clothes will just
So you're going to go iPad instead of computer.
Yes, I don't need a computer to travel. So
Okay. So you can get some clothes back there in that little pouch if you want.
So I'm gonna do this.
It's like computer-sized clothes bundle.
Yeah. All right. Now it's pretty bulky, but it will close, and
And
will
it is
fit.
one, yeah.
It will fit into the overhead. My passport goes in this hip carrier. This is a hip pocket belt you wear around your waist, and my passport fits in there. Anything you would put in pockets, you can carry around your waist. So that stays with me.
All right, well, why don't you zip it up and put it on, and I'll get one final
Let's see if we can get our
shot of that.
coat in here. Squish.
Okay, you got all that in there. It's all in there.
It's in there.
Okay, and what would you say? That's like about a maybe 7-inch wide, 8-inch wide, something like that, by maybe 8-inch deep by, I don't know, 10-inch wide by maybe
10,
16 or 18 inches long, something like that.
This is where it gets me for the tighter carry-ons and stuff.
So you can definitely get it overhead. Under the seat, it's squishy enough, it'll probably go.
This
Yeah,
is great
so-
domestically. You can travel with a bag this size, no problem.
Cool. So let's see it on. Let's
Okay.
see how is it heavy?
It's heavy. But
But heavy
These
is
nice,
maybe like
shoulder
10 pounds, 12 pounds, something like that. Yeah, so very good. Very nice. You can travel with that. Yep.
hop.
Very nice. All right, there you go. Cold weather. Thanks,
Yeah.
Tamara. Girls can do it too. If you like the video, subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks a lot. Have fun in Europe.
Yes, can't wait.